Okay, so in this video, I'll show you guys how you can delete a Shopify theme on your Shopify store. So for that, first of all, you want to sign into your account. So this is my dashboard. Next up, click on Online Store right there, which is under Sales Channels. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find that. Click on it, and this will send you over to your themes. Now right there, you'll find your current theme. If you want to delete your current theme, you have to do a different step first. I'll show you what that is in a bit. If you want to use any of these ones in your library, all you need to do is click on Actions and then click on Remove right there. If you remove that, you click right there and you delete it. So that's how you can delete a theme in your library. Now, if you want to delete a current theme, all you need to do is make sure to have at least one other theme in your theme library and then click on Actions on that theme and then click on Publish right there. Then once you do that, you're going to publish this theme. So if I click on Publish, you'll see that that works. There you go. Now Brooklyn, the one that I was just using, will then go into your library where you can click on Actions and then remove it. So that's how you can delete a theme on Shopify. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. And then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.